Hello and welcome to Tech Dictate. Today we are talking about signed binary addition. Okay, so we have done addition of binary numbers, but there is this case whereby we have negative and positive numbers. Till now, we've been dealing with only positive numbers. And now, in the case that you have a possibility of a negative number, that's when we have signs coming in. When we are talking about signs, we leave the first digit, okay, the left hand bit, okay. So let's say this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So this is the sign bit, okay. When we've decided that this can have positive and negative numbers, then the first bit becomes the sign bit. And the sign bit, let me use this blue pen, and the sign bit, black pen, sorry, and the sign bit can either be 0 or a 1, whereby 0 represents positive and 1 represents negative. So when the number you're writing is positive, the first bit is a 0. When the number you're writing is a negative, the first bit is a 1. And this comes in handy when you have the possibility of having negative numbers in your system. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. So in this case, we will be determining whether these values are positive. For example, determine 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, so we are to determine the decimal value of this signed binary number. And remember, we have to use the word signed. Okay, signed binary number. When we say signed binary number, then we immediately allocate this first value a sign. And if it's 1, it's a negative. So this value is a negative. And then 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. Now we find what this value represents. We've talked about place values. This has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, since this is 6, first of all, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So it's 2 power 4 plus 2 power 3 plus 2 power 1, which is equal to, okay, I don't need my calculator to be honest. 2 power 4, 16 plus 8 plus 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 1 is 2, yes. So we have 10, 26, base 10. And since we have our first bit as a 1, then that means this value is negative 26 base 10. And this means we have to explicitly say it's a signed bit. Okay, when you say it's a signed bit, that's when this value now represents the bit. Otherwise, it would just represent 2 power 7 in this case. Okay, so the value would change depending on whether this is a signed bit or not. So that is that. We have now learnt about the signs. We can have a 0 or a 1. If it were a 0, this will be a positive 26. Now let's go to addition, adding binary numbers. Let's say for an example, we've been given 9 plus 3, right? Add 9 and 3 by means of binary numbers. 0, so in this case, positive 9 will be 0, right? So let's make it into an 8-bit, okay? So it's 0, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is positive 9. Then 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then 0 again, because this is a positive number again. 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 1. Remember how we were converting decimal to binary numbers? That's what we've just done here. I don't need to keep repeating it, so you can reference those videos. So 9 plus 3 is 12, and it's a positive 12. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1, this is addition, and these two are not added. Okay, these two are not added. These two just are not added. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. This is 1, 1. Then this remain to be 0. Then this is a positive number. And so we have our answer. And so this is this. Okay, in decimal. You can always confirm to see if that's true. Then we have another example. These were both positive numbers. But then there's this case whereby you have one negative number or both are negative numbers. What do you do then? So in the case that you have, you're supposed to add -9 and 3, of course, by means of signed binary numbers. In the previous video, we talked about in order for us to operate with using negative numbers, we need to first change them to 2's complement. If you watch that you know. So we first change 9 to 2's complement so that it's -9. Okay, so we have 9, positive 9, which is 1 0 0 1. Okay, that's positive 9. Let's make it 8-bit. Okay, then let's change this to positive, to 1's complement first. You first change it to 1's complement, which will be 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, remember 1's complement is just reversing. If this is 1, let it be 0. If this is 0, let it be 1. So that's 1's complement. Then we proceed to changing now this to 2's complement by adding 1. So 2's complement by adding 1. So it's 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Now, since we said that it's a signed bit, this is a negative. In this case, this is the -9. So now we just add this. Since this is already -9, we add 1. This is 1 2 3 4 1 1 1 0, and then 3 1s. Add it to, this is -9. Add it to 3, which is 1 1. All these are zeros. The 3 is positive in this case. Okay, positive 3. When you add these two numbers, this is -6, and this will be 1 plus 1 now. Okay, it's now addition. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. This is 1, and this remain to be 1 1 1 1. This first one is a a 1, and we've mentioned 1 is negative, so it's -6. In the next video, we will look at binary subtraction.